time I see you passing by me slow, I wanna call your name just to let you know. Just one conversation, 1 second of your time, maybe it could ease my heart, maybe calm my mind. Yeah, you probably won't notice, probably won't care. You won't even see me standing right here. Even if I never get to love you, it's alright, as long as in my heart you're mine at night. We don't have to love each other, don't have to pretend. You don't even need to know who loved you in the end. I keep it to myself, locked in my heart. No matter how deep these feelings are, I don't know what to say. Won't scare you, won't scare you, won't stay. That's why I never let it start. Even if I don't get forever with you,